In a world obsessed with apps, trackers, and digital reminders, there's one old school habit making a big comeback. Journaling. Not in Notion, not in your notes app, pen and paper. And it turns out, this analog habit can actually pay off. Back in the 90s, journals were everywhere. Spiral notebooks, leather diaries, even those cheesy ones with the little locks. Today, journaling has returned, not just as a mental health tool, but as a way to boost focus, creativity, and yes, even your income. So how does writing in a notebook actually pay off? First, clarity. People who journal daily report less stress and more productivity. Second, idea capture. Many creators, entrepreneurs, and side hustlers use journals to catch sparks before they disappear. Third, long-term value. Handwritten journals can become a personal archive, or even a product. Some authors have literally turned their old journals into published books. There are real success stories here. Ryan Holiday turned his handwritten notes into bestsellers. Julia Cameron's morning pages practice has inspired millions of creatives. Even entrepreneurs use analog journaling to plan businesses that later made them thousands. The truth is, journaling isn't just about nostalgia. It's about slowing down in a fast world and giving your brain space to think. And when you treat it like a daily habit, the payoff shows up in your ideas, your projects, and sometimes even your bank account. Would you start journaling like it's 1999? Drop a comment below, and if you like this analog throwback, wait until you see what you can flip next.